In this video, I will show you how to display the current date or date and time in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I want to display today's date or date and time in these cells. There are several ways to do that. We can use the Excel today function to display the current date. The today function returns the serial number of the current date. This function does not take any arguments. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula in the target cell. Now type today followed by an opening and a closing bracket. Press the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the current date displayed in the cell. You can format this date using the cell formatting options according to your requirements. The date inserted using the today function will be updated automatically whenever the sheet is recalculated or opened. This way, you will always have an updated current date. A static date does not change whenever the sheet is recalculated or reopened. To display the static current date, select the target cell and press the Ctrl and semicolon shortcut keys on the keyboard. By doing this, Excel takes a snapshot of the current date and then inserts the date as a value in the target cell. The date inserted in this way does not change when the sheet is recalculated or reopened, so it is considered static. We can use the now function to display the current date and time in the Excel sheet. The now function returns the current date and time. This function does not take any arguments. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell. Now type now followed by an opening and a closing bracket. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the current date and time displayed in the target cell. The date and time inserted by the now function is dynamic, which means it will be updated whenever the sheet is recalculated or reopened. This way, you will always have an updated date and time in your Excel sheet. To insert a static date and time, select the target cell and press the Ctrl and semicolon keys followed by a space and then Ctrl, Shift and semicolon keys on the keyboard. By doing this, Excel inserts the date and time as a value, and because of that, it does not change when the sheet is recalculated or reopened. To insert the current time in a cell, we can use the today and now functions. Type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Type now followed by an opening and closing brackets. Type the minus sign followed by the today function. The now function returns the current date and time, while the today function returns the current date only. Since dates are serial numbers in Excel, when we do the subtraction, only time remains. We may need to format the cell as time if it is not already formatted. The current time inserted by these functions is dynamic, means it will be updated whenever the sheet is recalculated or reopened. To insert a static time, select the target cell and press the Ctrl, Shift and semicolon shortcut keys on the keyboard. This way, Excel will insert the current time as a value and it will not change. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.